Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my project pan update for the month of September. We are already in September, that's crazy. My progress could have been better this month, I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't terrible, it wasn't great. Some things I hit my goals on, some things I didn't, but let's just go ahead and get right into it and let's start in with my Benefit Brow. My goal is to use this 100 times. I only used this 6 times this month, which means that I have 33 uses to go before I can roll it out. That being said, I'm not sure if I'm going to make my goal by the end of the year. If I don't, I'm not overly worried about it, but still it'd be nice to use it 100 times. But we still got 4 months left, so I might be able to do it in the nick of time, but this is just not something I reach for on an everyday basis. So, I mean, hopefully I can finish it, but who knows. And then going into my Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I use this a total of 12 times, which is a little bit more than what I normally would use it. In a month, I've been using it 9 to 10 times, but I used it 12 times. I'm not mad at it. Again, I'd like to finish this by the end of the year. I'm hoping I can, but at this point, the progress is just slower than I anticipated. I honestly thought I'd have used it by now, but it's slower than what I'm anticipating. Next, we've got my Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint. My goal is to either use this 50 times or use it up completely, whichever one I kind of felt as we got closer to my goal. And at this point, I don't think I'm going to use it up. I'm only going to use it 50 times. I only used this 7 times this month. My goal was to use it 11 times. I didn't quite get there, which means I only have 13 more uses until I can roll this out. So I would like to reach my goal this next month. If not, oh well, I think I am going to make it a point to try to use this more. Again, my project pan items are not for me to use and neglect the rest of my makeup. They're just stuff that I can specifically focus on this year. But if I have other things in my collection that I would rather use in that moment, I'm going to. But I would realistically like to hit my goal this next month so I can roll it out and then roll something else in. So hopefully that'll happen, but if not, I'm not going to stress too much over it. And then we've got my Benefit Boing Concealer. This, I feel like, is almost done. The markings are not going to do it justice. I think I might be marking it wrong, like, because it's on a slant. I'm marking it at the top of the slant, and I'm wondering if I should mark it at the bottom of the slant the way that it applies. It is a stick concealer. But I use this a total of 8 times, which is not bad. I've used it more in previous months, but it's not bad. Again, I feel like I can finish this sooner rather than later because I have panned this in the past. This was before I started project panning, but I feel like I can get this done because I don't think there's a whole lot left based on previous experience. And then we've got a 100 uses goal. This is the Ulta Baked Bronzer. My goal was to use this 11 times this month, and I did just that, just barely though. My goal is to use this a total of 100 times in this project, and I only have 11 uses left, so I see no reason why I can't finish this, or not finish it, but hit my goal by the next update and I can finally roll this out. I have had fun panning this, but I would like to get this completely rolled out by the next update. And then we've got the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek. This is, I would like to finish this up because it is drying out and I'd like to use it up before it dries out completely. I only used this 5 times this month. This is one of those items that I'll probably get rolled into my 2023 project pan because I don't want to take this out of my project until I finish it completely. But I'm enjoying it when I can use it. Again, it just kind of depends on the eye look. I pair my blushes with my eyes, so I would like to just keep using this as much as I can. I am wearing it today, but with the ultimate goal of finishing it up. But at this point, I'm probably going to put this in next year's project pan. And the last item is another use up. It is the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter. I used this a total of 16 times this month. I've used it more in the past, but it's also not the worst progress I have. I am so close. I think I can finish this by the end of the year. The pan is, I'm seeing the pan on the bottom there. I'm seeing it flatten out, so I don't think I have too much left. Hopefully I can finish this up by the end of the year, which I think I can. I don't see why I can't at this point. I do use this 2, sometimes 3 times in a usage. Depending on the eyeshadow primer, I will go ahead and set my eyeshadow primer on it if it's one that doesn't need like a powder or something heavier to set it with. So I feel like that I could definitely, I feel like this will be done sooner rather than later at this point, but I've also had a lot of fun panning it. I did pan the bronzer last year, so that is everything in this update. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will leave my project pan link down below, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Machaela and I focus videos on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my walk with Christ, and all kind of bundled up into one. So if that's something that fits you, I'd love to have you around, and if you just want to be here for the sake of being here, I would love to have you around as well. And I will see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you do want to be around. So I will see you in the next one. God bless, and bye guys.